What's happening, everybody? So I'm going to start this video by saying that this is probably going to be the absolute most unsophisticated YouTube video ever created. You see my my nice 1963 lamp for lighting? That's just, you can't get any more high tech than this. What do you want? What do you want from me? Alright, so here's the deal. Well, now I'm looking at myself. That's disturbing. I'm going to set this phone down over here. So I've got a lot of really fun stuff to install on the motorcycle. I've got a bunch of things here that I'm going to start to put on my bike. And I've got a bunch of things on the way, fun things, even more fun things than this stuff. And I did an unboxing video a little while back, and I showed you some of these things. We're going to go over them real quick again. So we've got the shifter linkage bar that we have. I'm not going to take it out of the box right now, but that's going to dress things up a little bit because the linkage bar that's there now is just this rusted out thing, and my bike's brand new. It looks rusted out. It's just a really piece of crap. Very few. I said this before. Very few things on a Harley Davidson look cheap. This is one of the things that actually looks cheap. So we're gonna swap that out. We have some chrome bag latch with the chrome inserts that we're going to swap out, because when I put the stretch bags on the bike, I reused the old latch hardware that came with the existing bike, and it's black, and it just doesn't look good considering the rest of my bike is kind of chromed. I didn't go for the blacked out look, so I got a set of chromes with the smoke inserts. So that's going to happen. Talked about these in the other video. These are going to get put on the heel and toe shifter inserts, whatever you want to call these, just replacements for the little cheapos that are on the bike. Got two of those. And lastly, out of this box batch, we have the custom Dynamics LEDs that are going to go on the front turn signals. So I've already got them installed on the rear of the bike, and I didn't do an install video for that, so shame on me. But this time we're going to do a video install. So we're going to install all the stuff, maybe one or two at a time, I don't know. But the long answer to the short story is that I'm not going to do any of these until I get this done, because this kind of is going to get me down to bike level like we talked about. So this video is going to be about checking out the Mychanic, so you can see that, Mychanic Workshop Roll Around Stool, whatever the hell you want to call it. So we're going to yank this out of the box and go to work on it, put it together, and then we'll be able to start on some of the other stuff and see how that goes. So, pardon me while I do a very poor unboxing of this. Hey, that worked pretty good. Save that box. That was a good box. So, good packing, by the way. They did a really good job on that. So let's see here. We've got the seat that your ass actually goes on. Cross beams, I'm assuming. Ascending? I'm not ascending. I'm definitely not ascending. Descending into hell, maybe, because it's Friday night and I'm tired. It's been a long week at the office. And this is probably the part where I'll speed up the video, because I'm sure this is boring as hell. Okay, one other thing I wanted to say before we got started on building this. I'm sorry for the last video. I had some really good riding footage, and I didn't realize that the new GoPro wasn't set up in the right format, so it was going to large screen to the cube, and I'm like, come on. But I still wanted to put the video together, so I did. And of course I posted it, and I didn't realize until after I posted it and premiered that the music wasn't synced up at the end. And come to find out, I went to go take down the video, and I went to go redo the back end of it so I could get it to sync up right, and lo and behold, the files are gone. They were not, apparently I didn't drag them, well I know I did, I dragged them down to my storage drive that I showed you guys, and it didn't drag down all of the files, so something got interrupted. So long story short, I couldn't fix the video, so it's a really bad video. I apologize about that. There's still a little bit of good riding video in that. Check it out anyway, it's worth it. Put it on in the background while you're cooking dinner, drink a beer, listen to the music, watch the sky, because it's a really epic sky that I'm driving into. It just literally looks like I'm driving into the sky. Very cool. Alright, so we're going to cut to that part. Okay, it looks like everything is unboxed. Let's check out the instructions and see what's going on. Snap metal tray brackets, square, blah blah. So you know what? This is going to be boring as hell for everybody. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to build this damn thing, and I'll probably do it in fast motion just to not bore the crap out of everybody. And then we'll take a look at it when we get it together. How about that? But I will, just for giggles, show you while I'm doing it. I'm going to go to the hardware store, and I'm going to buy 6, not 1, not 2, not 4, but 6 Phillips screwdrivers. Why? Because they friggin' disappear. There's none in my tool chest. I'll show you. They're all gone. You know, it would be better if I shot this during the day, but the fact of the matter is I'm going on a ride tomorrow. And I've run out of time. I put this video off literally for 2 weeks. I put this video off. And I can't put it off anymore because I want to install the other stuff. And I can't find the hole. That's what she said. That's never been a problem before. But I'm having a problem now, for fuck's sake. It's right there. Can't find with a road map and a flashlight. This is what happens when you don't play guitar for, well, you play guitar once in 3 weeks, your hands just go to crap. And I'm sure this is not supposed to be tightened too hard. Otherwise, I'm sure you'll probably just crush the board that it's made out of. This is where I start playing the Benny Hill music. This is taking entirely much longer than I wanted it to, or expected it to. But I'm kind of like, one of my favorite YouTuber guys, Professional Monkey. Kind of like him. There's no sense in doing something unless you're going to do it wrong 3 times, right? So at least that way, you learn your lesson. So hopefully you won't be stupid the next time. Thanks, Professional Monkey. The monk. Alright, so according to this thing, we've got one last step. These go in, through the holes, washer. Floor, fingers, fingers. Yeah, that's good. That's where you want to go. I think I'm going to grab all of them. Really, we're going to when all else fails. This is probably metric. Maybe not. And that's not in the right spot. So voila, that was incredibly stupid, incredibly easy, and even with me screwing it up 4 times and stopping for tools 3 times, when it should have really only taken this, I'm done. There it is. So my Mychanic roll around stool. This is actually pretty damn cool. I know you guys are going to give me crap about my fruity drink instead of it being a beer. I will have a beer, but that's what that's for. That is what that's for. And if you have your sockets back out, you can put some sockets in there. So all in all, this is really, I mean, what are you going to do? This was, I'll put the price in the description and the link in the description of what this is and how much it was. I actually did that already, but I'll do it again since we're actually doing the build on this one. The build. Since we're doing the 5-minute assembly of this, I'll repost the link in the description and the price. Again, I think it was 65 bucks. So it was mid-price. There are cheaper ones than this. There are $20 stools that I've seen guys rolling around on, adjustable stools that go up and down for 20 bucks. And then there's the more expensive ones on top of this model that go all the way up to the 100s, 130s, and 150s. You know, with a full tool chest that goes underneath here instead of just this drawer. For me, I know I'm not going to need an entire tool chest. I'm just going to have crap like this thrown around. Maybe my Torx wrench could drive out, some crescents and some other stupid stuff. I know I'm not going to need a full tool chest. So anyway, we're going to use this, and now that this is built, I'm going to put this on the ground. Not in this video, because I'm not going to bore you any more than I already have. But we're going to throw this on the ground, use it a little bit, and install some other fun things that we have here. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed that comic relief of putting together a 5-minute stool that took 15. So there you go. Not too bad if I don't say so myself. I mean, this, not me. I'm bad. I'm horrible. I'm not a mechanic in any way. But yeah, this looks like it's made pretty damn well. I mean, you wouldn't expect something like this to have any quality parts at all, but it does. The casters are quality. The tubular steel is actually pretty thick. It's not super light gauge. The bolts are good. The pad is pretty sturdy. The construction itself, it looks pretty strong to me, so we'll see. We'll see how long that lasts. But anyway, so that's it. Thanks you guys for watching. We'll catch you on the next time. Keep the shiny side up.